This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode on Waterfox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and then on the center pane you want to scroll down to where you see the website appearance section, and by default it's probably set to automatic, which is your device determines whether it's light mode or dark mode. You could toggle on light mode right here, or you could toggle on dark mode. Dark mode is this one right here. I'm going to toggle this one on. Now the web page is in dark mode, but the interface is not. To do that, you want to scroll down a little further to where you see it says Dynamic Themes, and you want to toggle on Force Dark Mode. Now as you can see, the interface is also in dark mode now. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.